Good morning friends, welcome to LPSRS Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. In previous lecture, we learned about exercise 3.1 of chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilateral. In this chapter, we get introduction and after that, we solve the 5 sums. We begin with question number 6, find the angle measures x. Okay, this is the figure in which there are 3 angles are given and we want to find the angle x. So by using angle sum of quadrilateral, we can find the angle sum of quadrilateral is equal to 360. In previous lecture, we learned the equation of angle sum. Okay, so by using this, we find 360. After that, I compare 50 plus 130 120 plus x is equal to 360 because the sum of this 4 angle is equal to 360. By using this, I can find 300 plus x is equal to 360. In this way, I can find x is equal to 360 minus 300, it gives 60. Okay, we take another one. Here 3 angles are given and another angle is rectangle. So x plus 90 plus 60 plus 70, this is the quadrilateral, is equal to 360. So now we compare the angle property with the summation. So 90 plus 60 plus 70 plus x is equal to 360. So 220 plus x is equal to 360. We subtract 360 minus 220. So we can find x is equal to 360 minus 220. In this way, we can find the another unknown angle x is equal to 140. We see this example. In this example, this is quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, we know that one angle is 30 and another 2 are x and 2 angles are unknown. And these unknown angles make the pair with 70 and 60. So these two are the linear angles. So in this way, because of linear angles, we can say that the question mark is 180 minus 70. It gives 110. And in this angle, here the linear pair is 60 and this is the question mark. So the question mark's value is 180 minus 60 because these two are the linear pairs which are situated on the one line and makes two consequent angle. Okay, so 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. In this way, we can find this unknown angle. We use the angle sum. So angle sum of this figure is equal to n is equal to 5 because this pentagon have 5 different sides. So I take n is equal to 5 here and put the value of angle sum and in the value of angle sum, and after that I can find 540. We simplify this equation. First of all, 30 plus x plus 110 plus 120 plus x is equal to angle sum of this pentagon is equal to 540. Okay, so after giving simplification, I can find 260 plus 2x is equal to 540. So 2x is equal to 540 minus 260 because the 260 is at the left hand side. I want to move it at the right hand side. So it gives subtraction 540 minus 260. It gives 2x is equal to 280. So x is equal to 140. Okay, in this way we can find the value of any unknown angle. Let's try for another. In this angle I give one hint. This is for your homework, but I give one hint. Here the angle of this angle are same and the sides also same. So take first of all n is equal to 5 and here angle Rx. Okay, so put the value of n is equal to 5, and for the n value is equal to 5 it gives 540 in this way, and then this make the summation of this 5 angles is equal to 540. Okay, this is the hint for your homework. So the find the x is equal to how much, that decide by you. Let's we begin question number 7. Here the one figure is given and the question is find x plus y plus z. Since the sum of linear pair angle is 180, here you can see that there are 3 linear pairs. Okay, here z and 30 is in linear, here in linear angles, 90 and x are linear angles, and y and unknown angle is also linear angles. Okay, so let's we begin with 90 plus x is equal to 180 because they are the linear pair. So 90 plus x is equal to 180. In this way we can find x is equal to 90, and for the z plus 30 is equal to 180. So z plus 30 is equal to 180. So z is equal to 180 minus 30. It gives z is equal to 150. For finding y, 90 plus 30 is equal to 120 because the angle y is the exterior angle of this triangle. Okay, which having 30 plus 90 angle. Okay, so y is equal to 90 plus 30 because this is the exterior angle of this triangle. So in this way I can find x, y and z angle. Let's we put the value of x, y and z in the equation. So x, y and z is equal to 90 plus 150 plus 120 is equal to 360. Let's we take another example. This example is so much easy, but if your funda is clear about the geometry of triangle, rectangle or polygon, pentagon, etc. Okay, let's we use this property in next example. The next example is find out x plus y plus z plus w in this figure. Okay, the angle sum of the polygon having 4 sides is equal to 60 plus n plus 120 plus 80 is equal to 360. So n plus, you can see that 60 plus 120 it gives 180, 180 plus 80 it gives 260. So I can write 360 minus 260 directly. Okay, so don't make confusion in this step. Okay, it is a basic step. N is equal to 360 minus 260, it gives n is equal to 100. Let's we use this property, sum of linear pair angle in 180. Okay, so there are 4 linear pairs. First one is w plus 100, because I use 100 because we can find n is equal to 100 here. So I put a value of n is equal to 100. So w and n are the linear pair. So w plus 100 gives 180 and x plus 120 is equal to 180 plus y plus 80 is equal to 180 and z plus 60 is equal to 180. These 4 are the linear terms. Okay, linear angles. Then after giving simplification, we can find w is equal to 80, x is equal to 60, y is equal to 100 and z is equal to 120 from this equation. Let's we put the value of x, y, z, w in this equation, which our answer. So x is equal to 80, y is equal to 60, z is equal to 100 and w is equal to 120. It gives 360. Okay, thank you.